friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And today we are going to review Neelamari. So this is Neelamari. This is a natural indigo powder here. This is a 100% natural leaf powder for hair coloring here, indigo leaf powder here. And today we are going to review this product. So starting off with the product's review, let's look at the packaging of the product. So the product comes packaged in this plastic container right here, which is completely sealed using a cling wrap. So there's a cling wrap so that nobody can tamper with the product. Right here we can see the Neelamari branding right on top with its logo there, and in English and in Hindi as well, Neelamari is written here. Same branding can be seen here as well, Neelamari, and it says Indigo 100% natural leaf powder for hair coloring, and the net weight of this package is 100 grams. Coming to the side of the bottle, it says Neelamari Indigo is anti-toxic in nature, protects from pollution, reduces hair fall and adds volume to hair. How to use: always apply indigo after using henna on grey hair. So whenever you apply henna on your hair, on grey hair, the hair turns red, right, reddish orange. Hair after henna, so like after applying henna, you don't want to look like a redhead, so you would want to have natural black hair again. So basically, after applying henna, you need to apply, after washing it off, you need to blackish brown. To turn your hair into blackish brown, you should soak some Neelamari Indigo powder in hot water for 15 minutes and then apply it immediately on your hair. Then you wear a shower cap and wash with water only after 1 to 2 hours. So you let it sit there on your hair for 1 to 2 hours, and then you wash it with water. Wash it with water to get rid of the residue of it, right? Something that you should keep in mind is you should not apply shampoo or oil for 48 hours after applying indigo, because you should allow it 48 hours for complete oxidation and dark color of your hair. So that is the information given here. This is made in India. It's a 100% vegetarian product and it's for external use only. The shelf life is 2 years from date of packaging. And coming to the MRP of the product, the MRP of the Neelamari Indigo Leaf Powder is Rs 275 for 100 grams. Here it says it's a 100% natural Ayurvedic cosmeceutical formulation. Ingredients are 100 grams of indigo leaf powder. There's nothing apart from indigo leaf powder in this. This is completely indigo leaf powder here that we have, Neelamari. So guys, this is Neelamari's indigo leaf powder. If you all are looking to buy indigo leaf powder, I would definitely recommend the Neelamari indigo leaf powder. If you are looking to buy it, I left a link in the description below. You can buy it from Amazon. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.